y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominique, and I thought the perfect video to show you all is how I packed for my all-inclusive vacation. Now, these will be also a budget-friendly trip. So everything that's in this video today will show you exactly how to really budget and pack for your trip out the country. And also just a reminder that this is for an all-inclusive resort. This is not at an Airbnb and how this is for an all-inclusive resort. So some of the things the hotel may have for you and some may not, but everything will be on a budget. And so everything that you will find today will be either found from Target, Walmart, or even the Dollar Tree because we like to shop on a budget. So I first want to go ahead and start with the elephant in the room is the suitcases. So these suitcases I did get. Sorry if you see my dog walking in the video, but these suitcases I did buy from the TikTok shop. So this is the only thing that you will be able to find that you won't find at Target, Walmart, or the Dollar Tree is the fact that these are from the TikTok shop. I got a 4 set for at least $85. The prices will be on the screen somewhere over here. So I got this 4 piece. It's very durable. It has the 4 wheels. Also, it also has the lock box. I apologize. It also has the TSA lock for your suitcase, so you can create your own code, so you don't have to worry about anyone going into your luggage to and from. And you want to check your bag, so it actually comes on all 4. Well, except for the small. But if you are doing a carry-on or you are checking in your luggage, all of the TSA lock will be on the suitcase. So you don't have to worry about those. And if you see me looking at my phone, these are just my clip notes just to show you all exactly everything that I got. So now that we went ahead and showed the luggage, let's go ahead and get inside the big box. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to go ahead and start off is 3P right here from Amazon. These are all my clothes. So the best thing that I've learned how to do and to get the most bang out of my butt when it comes to packing tons of clothes, because I'm a girl that sometimes can't overpack. And the best thing I've learned is to get packing cubes from Amazon. You can get these. I think I have a set of 8 for roughly $18 to $20. I'll put the exact amount that I paid again somewhere right here. But yeah, you can stuff these all the way to its max. If it comes with a roughly 8, you may can get some more. I'm not really sure. These are the ones that I have. I got these off of Amazon. So this is what I have for all my clothes, all my essentials, my day clothes, my night clothes, my casual clothes just to throw on. I don't ask me how many outfits I got because I don't know. But that's how many I have. The next item would be my tripod. I got my tripod off of Amazon. This is for when I want to take my pictures and my friends don't really have time. So I have my clicker that goes with my tripods. I go ahead and take my own selfies, my own photos, and don't have to worry about no one else really taking them for me. I got this off of Amazon as well. I don't really know the exact amount, but it will be over here. One thing I will say for all the girls who are traveling out of town and they're somewhat a little conscious over how well hotels will clean their towels and whatnot is to bring your own towel. Bring a towel that you either don't care to leave behind or you want to bring behind because you wash your own clothes. So I brought my own towels just so I can save some money in some range. Some people you can buy, I think it's called travel towels and travel sheets off of Amazon as well. I didn't buy them, but hopefully with the next trip that I do take, I will have my own. This is what is this called? It has all my essentials in there. We're going to save this one for last because it is so to the max, but it's such a cute tote that you can carry it and it wouldn't affect how much things that you bring in there, and they're all travel size light. This is my makeup kit I also bought off of Amazon. It's one of the kits, let me open it. It's one of the kits that have the mirror in it for my ladies who does their makeup. So it has the makeup in there. It comes with a charger, and if you press the light, it turns on, and it has 3 different settings, and then you turn it back off. I believe it was $22 off of Amazon. I believe they had a lightning deal for there. And again, these items that I say are from Amazon. I have Amazon Prime, so they either come same day, next day, or 2-day shipping. But 2-day shipping is really my max on anything that I buy. I feel like this was a great item for myself because I do my makeup very often. So I feel like sometimes hotel lighting is iffy. So I feel like this would be a great option and a great essential for all the ladies to have. Next will be my first aid kit. I bought my first aid kit from the Dollar Tree, and I've had it for a very long time. And I just buy things from Dollar Tree and restock it just in case I need it. A couple of things that's in there would be a face mask because I wear a face mask on a flight. So I have a face mask. I have BC powders. I have a travel BC powder. And I have a big box that I actually bought on Amazon for $8.99, and it comes with a package of 50. So I keep these also, and I keep those stocked. It has Band-Aids. If you're a girl who has allergies or a thing that you don't know that you're allergic to, I highly suggest that you go ahead and fill your first aid kit up with Benadryl, Excedrin, Benadryl Day, anything. I have Listerine strips in here. I have a lot of essentials, Band-Aids, so everything in there will be essentials that you really need and you can buy from the Dollar Tree, because instead of calling down to the concierge, if you are at a hotel, you can already have your first aid needs handled just in case you have a random allergy attack or just something that you're going to need when you go on vacation. But yeah. Also, from Amazon, I have my boob tape for my boob girl. So just in case you are wearing an outfit for somewhere and you don't want to wear a full bra, you can go ahead and just put your boob tape on, put them girls up, and get ready to go. Also in my boob tape is my fashion tape. I got my fashion tape from CVS. I believe this was $5.99. And from here, it is something that you can tape on your top area, and you can go ahead and stick it to your table, to your boob, and get on out the door. And so you don't have to worry about constantly pulling it up all the time. That's just something else that I really like. Now, let's get to the big bag. I love this because, let me show you why. You can, hold on. I got things falling out. You can hang it up on the door. Y'all see how long this is? You hang it up on the door. It is, and it has all of your things that you need to take care of yourself when you're in the shower and you're getting ready. So let's go through it. All the things that are from the Dollar Tree. Okay. The first I have is the Pepto Bismol. I got these from the Dollar Tree. They were $3. They weren't $1.25, but they were $3. And I feel like throughout the country, you don't know if you're gonna eat something that upsets your stomach, makes you go. You just feel real nauseated and whatnot if you are eating a certain thing or you're drinking a little too much. Pepto Bismol, are always good to also have. This should be in my first aid kit, but they're not because they don't fit. So yeah. Thing that's in there is a vitamin C patch. So just in case, it's called emergency. So just in case you feel a little off when you wake up in the morning before breakfast, you can put this in your juice or your water, stir it up, and enjoy the rest of your day. That would be a good option to have. Also, in the next tab are these little hand things. I got these from the Dollar Tree as well. It's the two of them. You're washing your face, ladies, and you're like, your makeup or whatever, and the water runs down. These would be great options to have. Your travel thing, just because it isn't wasting. Also, I do have caps. So I got these from the Dollar Tree as well. Everything right here, majority got from the Dollar Tree, to be honest. Don't say about the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree really has what you need, to be honest. So I got these from Dollar Tree. I got this little, it's so cute. This little, is by Guru Nada. I think they're becoming really popular because I also have their, pick and as well, but I have other things with their products as well. But this would be a good thing to also carry in here so you can just take a swig since it's travel and you don't have to worry about throwing it out. You put it in your check bag or your carry-on and you're good to go. For the ladies who have makeup, I highly suggest that you grab you some travel size wipes. Size makeup wipes, you can get these from anywhere. I just picked these up from the Dollar Tree just because they're $1, and I was in there trying to get things for my trip today. For tomorrow. So I wanted to make sure I had some travel size makeup wipes. You can also go to CVS and get completely tear up their entire seat section. Just something I just I quickly grab and I throw them in the bag. And if you wanted to know what the soft picks look like, these are what they look like. So it's just clean your teeth and you're good to go, to be honest. You also carry my own Dow soap. I use Dow antibacterial. I usually use the gold bar. This is the only one I found was the white bar as of right now. But you put this in a Ziploc bag because you do want to leave it or you want to take it back home. I decide to just keep it in my bag just for all trips if I wanted to. So I just go ahead and I keep it. This was also $1 at the Dollar Tree. Now, for the ladies who like to wash their face, I highly suggest this brand right here is a Dollar Tree brand. But hear me out. I have sensitive skin. So if I used it before and I just knew that it was not going to work for me, I would have stopped using it. But it comes in a 3-pack. It's called Smooth and Lift. Hold on. Let me show y'all. So it's called Smooth and Lift. So I have the facial cleanser. I have the eye cream as well as the collagen skin cream, which is kind of like moisturizer in a sense. And so I use all of these, and I just keep these in my travel kit since it's something for $1. It's really like to just pack and go, and you'll be fine. Another travel size item, well, I have three of them that I did not buy from the Dollar Tree. I actually bought them from CVS. So, but these are travel size items. The first one will be my bio oil skincare. The bio oil skincare is something I'm also going to use after I do my face, just because I like a little oil on my face. Make me a little bright, a little shiny, a little here and there. I also have my Dove. I have my Dove deodorant. I have my Dove travel size deodorant. Usually, if I did have weed, but this time I have bright, I do have dry shampoo. Also by Dove, just in case like I jump in the water. I can still use it for my hair right now, but this is something if I just jump in the water and I'm just like, and I need my hair to dry or make it look a little full, I will use this as well. Of course, you gotta have your toothbrush with your toothbrush cover on there. You don't want to be just raw dogging your toothbrush. So make sure you have your toothbrush. You want to make sure that it is covered properly to and from wherever you go because there are germs outside and you don't want them to be coming in your mouth. Sometimes if I forget to shave, I keep a razor. So I always keep a little dollar razor in my travel kit just in case I so happen to forget to shave my underarms or my legs and I need to just clean it up a little bit. I'm always have it. And I would say the last thing that you always want to keep in your bag would be scrunchies. Girls, you need scrunchies. You never know if you need to put your hair up in a ponytail. You don't know what you're going to be doing. But you have your scrunchies just to have them. So that is all I have for my travel kit. And also in my purse, I don't have my purse with me right now, but you want to make sure the night before your passport is in your bag. And it's not just for the girls. This is also for the guys. I'm an ally. So for the girls and guys, it's everything that you want. It doesn't really matter. Just make sure your passport is good to go. It is already stocked and loaded, and you have your chargers. You have your any necessities that you're going to be needing when you're traveling through the airport. Just remember, you cannot fly with a full pack. You just got to have travel size items unless you put it in your check bag. So, with all that being said, and that's everything that I do have for my all-inclusive trip out the country. I do hope that everything was to your liking. I do hope that you find the video very helpful. Just remember, if you are traveling out the country, just relate back to the video anytime as you want. I do ask that you please like, comment, and subscribe. If you thought this video was super helpful and super that you're going to need, go ahead. If you are wanting to make sure you catch up with my Dominican Republic content vlog, go ahead and subscribe to my channel right now, as this video should be up by the time you're looking at this. Or if not, just make sure that you have your post notifications on and you subscribe and you tap that bell so you go ahead and update it content from me. Also, if you are looking for more information or you want to contact me directly or you just want to know what my pictures look like from Dominican Republic, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Domi B. That's at DOMI as in boy underscore, and go ahead and get ready for the content, girl. Yeah. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you later.